irrespective also of what we hear. We came to visit Ye because what we are hearing about Ye make us come and see how Ye look like. Whatever we have had is not equivalent to whatever we have seen now. The citizens are confident of the army, and citizens are here because of the army. And they talk positively about the army. An army is here for the people and for the citizens of Southern Sudan, not for their interests. Nobody can leave his family where he left them to come and have a different interest in where he is. But because they are paying all this, because citizens of Southern Sudan have to be liberated and have to be made confident to themselves and confident to the nation and confident to the army of the nation. What I have seen will make me to push things to the right direction. This is what I will do.